Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the basics. VS Code is installed and your workspace is open. Next, open a file you want to change. Once the file is active, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. This is where you control language settings quickly. Make sure the file is saved with any extension if you plan to associate language by file type. Now you're ready for the selection step that follows. Once the command palette is open, type Change Language Mode and hit Enter to reveal available languages. You'll see detected languages and a Configure File Association option. Choose the one that matches your file type to persist the choice for that extension. If the language is missing, install an extension. Open Extensions, search the language name, and install. After installation, repeat Change Language Mode and select it. Doing this connects syntax, snippets, and linting for better. To finalize, use Configure File Association to map the file extension to your chosen language so it applies automatically. Verify the language shown in the bottom right status bar. Click it to change again if needed. If syntax highlighting or features don't appear, reload the window or restart VS Code. Make sure the language extension is enabled and updated. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the extension, because corrupted installs are the most common cause of missing language support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.